Banish boring routines. Oh, nope, wrong. I was reading the back. Sorry.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy time.
Hey, it's me again. Welcome back, love bugs. I'm glad that you're here. Today I am going to do two separate kind of hauls for you. First, I'm going to do my Ipsy unbagging from this month. I've had it for about a week and I just haven't even touched it. I knew I wanted to share it with you and I just didn't take the time to make a video. So we're going to do that today. Definitely stay tuned though, because I'm going to show you my very cheap Amazon haul. Let's hop into this Ipsy bag first. I realized when I left the house this morning and I was already out of the neighborhood, and for me to get back in our neighborhood, it would have been probably a 10-minute trip, and I didn't have 10 extra minutes to go back home. I forgot to put on my mascara, so I feel really naked. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I'm gonna pull out this card, and it has that plastic smell. You guys, I've told y'all before that I love that smell of vinyl. It's a vinyl smell. It takes me back to like 3rd grade, 2nd grade, with one of my backpacks and pencil pouches. But this is this month's bag. It's very cute. And it says Dream on it. You may have seen other people's unbaggings already. I personally don't look at anyone else's. I want to be surprised. I used to go and look at the sneak peeks. I don't even look at them. I just kind of wait till it gets there and then I play. This month's theme is Dream It. New month, new year, phew, and the sky's the limit. Even though I don't know how many of you would agree that I don't know that 2021 is any different than 2020. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Very nice. Okay, let's see what we got. This is, oh yes, it's been a while since I got a new nail polish. This is a nail polish, Beauty. It is, oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. I don't know if you can see it without the glare of the door. The color is Harmless Tricks. Yum. Yum, whatever. I was thinking, well, at least it's not Harmless Treats. Oh, that is a stunning color. It is like a copper, like a metallic color. I think this may be one of my daughter's colors on her wedding. I know it's on the list. It is like a rose gold copper color, if that makes sense. And that is beautiful. I will be, when my hangnail heals, I will definitely paint my nails and we will look at that together. The packaging is pretty spot on. Elizabeth Mott Ultra Moisturizing Shea Hand Cream in Full Bloom. That is really, really cute. I like the packaging on this as well. Let's put some on. My hands are very dry. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to need a lot of moisturizer in the winter. We have a lot of humidity, as you can tell by my hair today. But with that said, it has been much drier because our air has been drier, except for this week. And we actually had to use the heat some. And that always dries my skin out. Oh, I like. It doesn't feel heavy. Kind of glides on. It has a very soft, subtle scent, so it would not probably mess with your perfume that you wear. So it's not like a heavily fragranced lotion that you may get from Bath and Body Works. Nice. I love that. This is Yunza. It's a Skin on Skin BC foundation. It's a BB and CC cream full coverage foundation. A Super Blocks Essence SPF 40 sunscreen. I just want to see the color. It's probably I'm gonna leave that on. I will use this in a Get Ready With Me soon, and we will look at this color and this foundation together. So stay tuned for a review on that. And then we have a lip gloss. I'm not gonna open it. No, I could use a little color. The writing is so, let me see. That is, oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see. Oh, that is the color. And as you can tell, it's a very soft blush, which I do tend to wear a lot of these lighter colors for the office. They're not so bold. I do work in an all-male office. I'm the only female, so, you know, I already clump around here in my heels. I try not to over-feminate the place. And then the last thing we have, is a perfume. What? I don't think I've ever gotten any perfumes from Ipsy, so this is exciting. This is Catherine Melodrino Special Moments. The packaging is very beautiful. It's in a coral color with the cream and gold. Love it. Now let's see what it smells like. I have perfume on, so hold on. Grabbed a sticky note. Okay. I do like it. I usually wear Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret. And there's a couple other ones that I like, but this is very clean, but it has a slight floral scent to it. I like it. Smells very refreshing. Not refreshing, I can't even think of the word. It smells bright and light and clean, but feminine at the same point, if you can kind of figure that out. So that was a pretty good haul there. I am very pleased with this month's picks, and I can tell you I am so thankful. As much as I did not put mascara on, I'm glad that I did not get any eye products. I have so many eye products still to go through and try that this was a refreshing bag because it was a lot of different things. You guys know it. Well, for me, it's been a while since I've gotten a nail polish. I've never gotten a perfume sample from them. I am definitely going to see about where to find this, because I really enjoy it. A full-size bottle is $110, which, you know, most perfumes start usually around $70. So depending on that size, the size of their full-size bottle would depend if it's, I mean, that's pretty pricey if you don't like to pay for perfume, but it's worth it. That smell is beautiful. Now this had a $13 value. This was the nail polish. That's pretty typical. A full size of this Full Bloom would run you $28. I'm gonna keep this one in my purse though, because again, I don't think it's gonna clash with any, like I don't really even smell it on me, but my hands feel amazing. I'm gonna keep this in my purse. I will probably look into getting another. A full-size version of this runs you $22, and your foundation that they gave you, a full size, would be $38. Nice. Very, very cool. And Ipsy is starting a thing called refreshments. Banish boring routines with our new membership to Sparkling Clean Face and Body Essentials. They will have clean and 100% vegan ingredients. Member pricing starts at $5. And it gives you, well, membership pricing starts at $5. It's 20 to 30% off the MSRP. Visit Ipsy.com refreshments to get on the list. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, definitely check them out. I will leave that link down below. And thank you for going through my Ipsy bag. Now let's see what I got from Amazon for under $1. Hey guys, I am home. The TV is on, so just ignore what you hear in the background. I am going to show you what I got from Amazon for 94 cents. First thing came in a box almost half as tall as me. When I open it, I'll tell you how much I paid, how much it should have been. My total for my whole Amazon order was 94 cents. I looked it up. Oh, okay, I can show you. What I ordered was another Gnome diamond painting kit. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is like 11 by 15, almost 12 by 16 is what the measurements came out to. It comes with all you need to complete that little guy. And if you saw yesterday's video, you saw the other gnome that I did. If you watched any of the videos in December, after I decorated, you might have noticed the Christmas gnome topper that I had on my tree. It's kind of why I have gone this way, because having wall hangings in my living room is going to be like priceless. So this guy actually normally was $9.89. It was on sale for $5.10 is what my order says. I don't know if he will be my next project or I'm pretty sure it's this one. Let's open this. The kids laughed at me when I told them what I had ordered. Oh, you're not going to get to see it. It is another diamond painting kit. I don't want to open this one because this will not be the next one. I will insert a picture here.
Easy, let your hair down. Come closer.
So everything I need for this guy is tucked nicely inside, and I'm gonna leave it stored just like this. If you watched yesterday's video, I also talked about turning my dining room into an office, and this will be one of the wall hangings in here for probably a long time outside of Christmas, and I will explain that in another video very soon. So, 2 diamond painting kits. That one was Originally $7.71. I paid $4.49 for it. And I have one more package to open. This is probably going to seem silly to you guys. And I probably could have gotten them cheaper at Walmart. I know that. But I ordered these Condiment Cups. It's a pack of 24. I ordered 2 of them. 2 of them. I paid $4.49 each. But I am going to use these to store my beads for my projects and for the husband's lunchbox. Because a lot of times I will send him either mayonnaise or mustard to go on something, or dressing to go in a salad, or what have you. So that won't go in vain. Again, $4.49 each, but I paid a total of 94 cents. Do you know why? It's very simple. Because I have an Amazon credit card, and they pay you back after so much that you spend. I forgot the percentage. I have to look it up. If I can find it, I'll put it in the description box below. But I had spent so much in December that I had like $19 credit, so I just put it towards this. So to have 2 good canvases, it's going to take me a while, which I consider therapy, and some tools to kind of store them better, because what I was using, even though it was recommended when I looked it up, it did not store my beads the way I wanted it to store. That at least I know will close and they're not going to spill over. So 94 cents. Probably a good, I don't know, a good month and a half of therapy. I consider that a great deal. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed my Ipsy unbagging and my 94-cent Amazon haul. If you guys have pretty good credit, I would definitely recommend getting an Amazon store credit card, because it kind of pays you back. Seriously. I don't know about you guys, but we probably order something off of Amazon at least once a week. And if I would use that card and then just pay it back, it not only builds my credit up, obviously, it also gives me credit for free crap. So free therapy is always nice. I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, be kind to each other. We only have today, and if today was your last day, make sure you end it being kind to yourself and kind to others. See you in the next video. Bye.
Let me see all your million faces and all your